This is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So, the first order of business is to download and install the free Caffeine app. That's the tool that will allow you to increase or, well, even set custom values for the auto screen off option, even up to never. So, let's find and get the app real quick. So once the Caffeine app is ready, you can launch it, and in here all that it's left to do is to check whether the timeout function is set to the infinite value, and as long as it is, just make sure not to close the Caffeine app and keep it active in the background, and your screen will not go to sleep automatically. So that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.